Hey, Alex, I'm glad you could come over for dinner. What kind of food do you like?
Emily, thanks for having me. I'm up for anything, really. How about we make something like a pasta dish?
Sounds good. I have been taking into deep consideration what food's good for us. It was not easy to decide, but I have got a good hint from you. Let's see what we have in the kitchen. I think we've got some pasta, canned tomatoes, and a bunch of veggies.
Great! How about we make a classic tomato based sauce with roasted veggies? And maybe some garlic bread on the side?
That sounds delicious. We can also whip up a simple salad. Let's start by prepping the veggies for roasting.
What do we have here? Bell peppers, zucchini, and eggplant?
Yep, exactly. Let's chop them up into bite-sized pieces and toss them with olive oil, salt, and pepper.
Got it. I'm doing that. And how's your new job going? I heard you started at the tech company in the city.
It's been great. Thanks for asking. The learning curve is steep, but I'm enjoying the challenges. And, oh, could you pass me that cutting board?
Sure. Here you go. By the way, I've been meaning to ask if you've tried that new bakery that opened up near your place.
Oh, yes. Their pastries are amazing. I actually picked up a baguette from there earlier. Perfect for our garlic bread.
Really? I'm also excited about the garlic bread.
By the way, just remind me after we get the bread in the oven. Now, let's move on to the salad. We've got some mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and cucumbers.
I'm on it. So, have you been watching any good TV shows lately?
I started this new crime thriller series. I think everyone is talking about it. All right, veggies are chopped. Let's lay them out on the baking sheet.
Done. Now for the olive oil, salt, and pepper, right?
Exactly. Give them a good toss to make sure everything's coated evenly. While you're doing that, could you also preheat the oven?
Sure. Oven's on. By the way, do you remember that camping trip we talked about last year? Are you still interested?
Definitely. Maybe we can finally make that happen this summer. All right, let's pop these veggies in the oven.
Veggies are in. Now, how about we work on that salad dressing? We've got olive oil, balsamic vinegar.
And a touch of honey for sweetness. Mix those together and we've got ourselves a vinaigrette. So, speaking of camping, any ideas where we should go?
I heard there's a great national park a few hours away. I'll look into it and we can plan it out. All right, salad dressing is done. Veggies are roasting. What's next?
Let's get the pasta water boiling. While that's heating up, we can start on the garlic bread. Mix the minced garlic with softened butter, spread it on the sliced baguette, and we'll toast it in the oven.
Got it. While I'm spreading the butter, have you thought about dessert for tonight?
I was thinking of keeping it simple with some fresh berries and whipped cream. Easy and refreshing. All right, let's pop the garlic bread in the oven.
Bread's in. Water's boiling. What about the pasta sauce?
Oh, right. Some onions and garlic in olive oil. Then, add the canned tomatoes, a pinch of red pepper flakes, and some Italian seasoning.
Onions and garlic are sizzling. By the way, your kitchen organization is impressive. Everything's so easy to find.
Thanks. I believe in having a well-organized kitchen. It makes cooking much better. Now, let's add those tomatoes and spices.
Tomatoes are in, and spices are sprinkled. The aroma is already amazing.
All right, let's let that sauce simmer. Time to cook the pasta.
Pasta's in. The kitchen is filled with such great smells.
All right, sauce is simmering. Veggies are roasted. Pasta's cooking. What's left?
I think we're almost there. We just need to toss the salad with the vinaigrette and prep the dessert when we're ready to eat.
Perfect. Oh, and don't forget to set the table. I've got some candles we can light for a cozy atmosphere. All right, I think everything is ready.
It all looks amazing. Thanks for teaching me so much tonight, both about cooking and life. This has been a fantastic experience.
Thank you, Alex. It's been a pleasure cooking with you. Let's enjoy our delicious meal.